Ugh. Don't worry, bro. I used to be a restaurant critic. It's not as bad as it looks. It's worse. What is this crap?
Nobody knows.
We've been eating this crap 3 times a day for 10 years, right, mate? Well, why doesn't someone have a word with the chef? Oh, Big Bobby Chef? Yeah, we don't mess with him. 2 things to remember in here if you want to survive. Keep your head down. Never talk to Big Bobby Chef.
Get out!
I'll tell you what, ya ba. If you convince Big Bobby Chef to change the menu, we'll maybe not jump you and touch you later. How does that sound? Alright, mate, I will. A person once told me, if you look for the good inside people, you'll find it. He obviously never met Big Bobby Chef.
Get out!
Part 2 coming soon, you gremlin.